How to turn on black and white colors for Xiaomi or Poco phones with Android 13 MIUI 14. To change your colors to black and white gray, you can use the quick panel access and tap on the settings icon here and go to where it says display. Once there, you'll go to the part that says reading mode and of course turn this on. Then you'll head over to the part that says paper. Once you select paper, you'll tap on this arrow here. And from here, you'll go to where it says full colors and switch it to black and white. And now you have yourself some black and white colors. Now, if you happen to be on this video because your colors are black and white, you disabled reading mode, and you want to know what's going on, why it's still showing black and white colors, then it could be your bedtime mode settings is enabled. So let me just go ahead and disable this for you. Let me show you something here quickly. Look for bedtime mode. So go into bedtime mode here and make sure if it's already on, come here and go to customize. When you're under customize here, you'll go to screen options at bedtime and maybe your grayscale is currently enabled. This is also going to cause your phone to be in black and white colors. So check that out and just disable that if that's the case. Like, sub, thanks for watching.